Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use the new image size that I have introduced in my last video. So if you don't remember, let's just go to functions.php, and here you can see there is an image size called Tian portrait, and this is the height and width. So what we are going to do is we are going to see whether this line of code works or not. So I'm simply gonna copy this one, but before that I'm going to show you that I have uploaded two new images which are in the media library right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna assign each one to one of my posts. So if we go to our all posts, we can see that we have currently two posts. One is hello world and the other one is random title. So currently neither of these has any featured image. So I'm simply going to click on set featured image and just assign one of these. So let's click on this and you can see the image is assigned, and I'm simply going to click on update, which will do the rest of the thing. And I'm simply going to do the same thing for this post as well. So let's click on this and select the other one, set featured image, and update this post as well. So now both of my posts have has one featured image, but when I go to my site, I can only see the title and the content of the post. So this is one post and one content, this is another post and another content. So I want to see the image here as well. So for that, what I need to do is I need to go to my index.php, and here I have to add the post thumbnail, and here I have to write the image size that we have introduced as well. So the name was Tian portrait. So if you don't remember where this came from functions.php. So this is basically the same thing as this. So what this is saying is, while you have post, show me the title of that post, show me the content of that post, and show me the featured image that is set in that post. So I'm going to go my index.php, and here I'm going to reload this, and I should see two images. So this is the image for this post and this is the image for this post. So I hope you guys learned it and enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.